What's up, y'all? It's Sir, and today we're going to be building a workstation and editing PC inside of the Darkflash DLM21. For the CPU, we went with the Ryzen 7 2700X. It has 8 cores, 16 threads, and it has a boost clock of 4.3 GHz. It's just a really good CPU, and in the future, if she ever wants to upgrade, she can always do that with the MSI B450M Bazooka Max. This is just a really good motherboard altogether, and it's the perfect size to fit into the case itself as it's MECH. It's a max Wi-Fi. It's a max motherboard too, so if she wants to upgrade to a Ryzen 3000 series or even a 5000 series processor, she can do that with no hassle. And yeah, it's just a really good all-around motherboard. For the RAM, we went with the T-Force Delta RGB, but this is 16 GB at 3200 MHz, and it's at a cast latency of CL16, so it's going to be really fast, and 3200 MHz is a really good starting speed for Ryzen processors, so this is going to be pretty good. For the boot drive, we went with the Samsung 970 EVO 1TB SSD. It's NVMe M.2 SSD. You've probably heard enough about this. It's just a really good solid state drive, and it's going to be used for just her main app, so like whatever she's using in the Adobe suite, and just for like any other stuff she wants to use. It's just a really good SSD. For the power supply, we went with the EVGA 650BQ. It's semi-modular. It's 80 plus bronze, and it's 650 watts, so this would be more than enough power for what she's using. And for her graphics card, we went with the AMD RX 5700 XT, as this is a really good card for editing, and she's going to do some light gaming on it as well. But honestly, even if she wants to do serious gaming, she could always do this on this as well. Casual gaming, of course, you know, just some Minecraft here and there, you know. Play a few games of Roblox, you know, just... Exactly. Yeah. But yeah, that's the graphics card. And for just mass storage, we went with a 2TB hard drive as well. So, like, any project she wants to put up here, or, like, you know, just games or whatever, she can always just do that. This is just going to be for regular mass storage. It's a hard drive. What more can I say? For the case, we went with the Darkflash DLM21. This is a microwave CX case with a tempered with a tempered glass side panel, and it also opens up like a door. It's a door. It also has a magnetic dust filter at the top, and it has space for a 240mm radiator or just two 120mm fans at the top. Yo.
The Bronx.
It's a pretty good case, and it's pink, so that's pretty cool. And with that, that's everything. So yeah, let's get to it.
Shingen will make his move.
Shingen would make his move.
Oh wait, whoa, where's the music? Whoa, where's the music on?
Hey Google, pause. Nice. You want to do the other one?
Yeah.
I'll hold.
Oh no, I got
You
it.
can do the other one.
No, you're doing it. This is
Oh,
your
okay.
computer.
Well, you helped build it. I want to give you some honors.
No, it's just this one.
He did all the honors. Woo! So nice and crisp and clean.
He made the honors.
Alright. You sure you don't want to turn this on? This is your computer here.
Do it,
You're
do it,
absolutely
do
sure?
it.
This is your PC.
Okay. Whoa.
Oh. Where's the RAM at? Come on, where's the RAM at? Oh, there we go.
That is so cool.
MSI, okay. Well, MSI is the name of the... Hey! Posted!
Yay.
There we
Let's
go.
fucking go. F1 to run setup. So, that's the build. I'm really happy with how this turned out. This is probably my best looking PC to date, if I'm being totally honest. But yeah, I really liked it. There's a little Dumbo figure in there just to add a bit of personality. You have the pink like synthwave wallpaper just cause there's like, it was either that or the default Windows wallpaper. I don't think you would want to see that. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, you should subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And follow me on Instagram. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. What's up, y'all? It's Sir, and today we're going to be building a workstation editing PC inside of the Darkflash. Slow down. Slow the down. Okay. For the CPU, we moved the Ryzen 7 2700X. It has 8 cores, 16 threads, and a boost clock of 4.3 GHz. And it's just a really good CPU for editing and for workstation, task. What? Task. I love workstation task. At 16 gigabytes. It's 16 gigabytes at 3200 megahertz.
It's like Pokemon.
I choose you, megahertz. Alright, now. It's 1 terabyte. It's an NVMe M.2 SSD. You've probably already heard about this. There's not much I can say about it. It's just a really good, like, what more can I say? You've probably heard about this at this point. No, I can't assume. What? For the power supply, we went with the EVGA 650 BQ. It's 650 watts. It's 80 plus bronze certified, and it's semi-modular. So honestly, she can honestly. What the am I saying honestly for? For the power supply, we went with the EVGA 650 watt BQ. Ooh, that's not the name of it. It's EVGA B. For the power supply, we went with the BVGA. For the power supply, we went with the EVGA 600. What's so funny, Tyler? What's so funny? What's so funny? Something a joke.
All fun and games,
It's
huh?
all fun and games, like
I think toss the power supply.